Good morning. I hope you are enjoying the videos from a moment with Rukwaru. Now, this morning, I would like to discuss common behaviors that make people dislike you, but they won't tell you. You'll find that there are certain behavior we have, but even our friends are uncomfortable, but they don't want to tell you because you feel annoyed. Which are these behavior? One is being too self-centered. What am I saying? Being too self-centered, you end up dominating conversations with your stories, with your experience, with your achievements. These things, they make people comfortable. People don't want to become a board for sounding monologue. People would also like you to listen to their story. Give people time, and so that they also talk. They have got a story also to tell you. So they tell you, work on your listening skills. Learn to listen rather than talking too much. Don't think everybody enjoys you to be a sounding board for your continuous monologue. Then you find that these people, they don't respect the personal space. What do I mean? Respect personal space. The distance matters. When you are not close to someone, don't become close socially. So sometimes these people, some people don't stand too close or standing too close for comfort. You find that you end up breathing down someone's neck, and you make people uncomfortable. Who wants somebody to breathe on you? And then they come on you, they breathe on you, they keep on patting your back, and these are things you don't want because you are not even close to that person. Personal space is very, very important. So you also find that these people, they constantly interrupt you when you are talking. They tell you, please stop, I'll tell you something. I've got a very, very nice story. Where's stop? Where watch I have? I have got a juicy story to tell you from our office. So they end up interrupting the talk. Then you find that these people, they have no empathy. Empathy is understanding and getting yourself to the feelings of another person. These people, they don't care. They don't have a shoulder to lean on, even when you are undergoing emotional turmoil. They are not going to have time for you to sympathize with you. They don't have time to empathize with you. Then you find that these same people, they are overly competitive. When they hear that you bought something, they also want to buy. They are very, very competitive, but in the negative way. And then you find that these are also the characters who are being negative all the time. All the time, they are negative. And you find that even emotionally, they are negative. When people are emotionally negative, it is contagious. Even the other person is going to become emotionally negative. And then these people, they are also not genuine people. You find that you cannot trust them. You find them that they betray you. And then lastly, they overuse sarcasm, criticizing you, but you don't know that they are criticizing you and they are not positive for you. Otherwise, thank you very much for listening to this video from the moment with Rukwaru. It's Mutea Rukwaru. Have a great day.